Ladies and gentlemen, I have decided to become a charitable soul and give back to society. Because when you sow into society, you reap from society. As in, I am desperate for views right now, so I'm trying to think up many different things that I can do. Actually, no, that's not the truth. I've just been dropping pieces of content here and there, and I figured it's nice to see my son and all. He's really cute. And of course, some of you ladies may faint every single time you see this beautiful face. But is it really adding value to your life? I don't know. I'm gonna do something that probably will help some of you. At least that's my hope in putting this stuff out there, to articulate some of the thoughts and processes behind what I do for a living as an entertainer, as a communicator, as a storyteller, and and as just a guy who can jabber away till I'm thrown out of a car, out of a speeding car, over a cliff, into the water, and I have to somehow find my way back home, because that's the only way, the people in the car are gonna get some peace as they drive. And they have to make sure I fall off a bridge, because if they drop me on a road, I'm just gonna jump into the next car behind them and catch up. So that being said, I have decided I am gonna try do something. My hands are hurting, clearly, but you can see the bicep. It's a little Tootsie Roll. So cute. As you can tell, though, I'm going to try the art of communication. I'm going to teach you things that I've learned. These are skill sets that were ingrained into me ever since I was 4 years old. And I'm reaping the benefits of that stuff today. Can't even tell you how much, because I grew up thinking everybody can talk the way I talk, everybody can communicate the way I communicate. And this is not to say I'm some sort of cream of the crop, but am I a little more effective in the way I talk? Am I a little more effective in the way I present myself? Am I more confident, even if it is complete bullshit? Yes, I am. So I decided to kind of start putting stuff out there with regards to how you can build your confidence, how can you get a little more charismatic, how can you communicate a little better, how can you be a great conversationalist, so on and so forth. I say that with all humility. I'm very grateful for the fact that there are some people who appreciate what I do. You are so good. How you're doing this? You are awesome. And this is my way of giving back to them. I'm saying, okay, fine. I'm going to try teach this to you, and I hope you're going to get something out of this. Keep your fingers crossed. I'm going to start in the next video. Leave me a comment. Do like the video. Do share the video if it made some sense to you. And if you're someone who's very annoyed by the fact that I shot this entire thing in portrait, I apologize. There isn't anything much I could do about it. After I shot it, I realized, no, damn it, I will sort that out. So that being said, please do subscribe and watch for the next video.